is Jaden, and welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Today I have decided to do a lookbook of one of the most iconic, fashionably iconic characters of the 90s, Miss Rachel Green. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you guys don't miss any looks, and let's go ahead and get into this lookbook. I will let you guys know I kind of did it with more spring in mind because a lot of these I want to go on ahead and wear. So I added my own little spring flair to it, and I'm going to be matching most of them with these floral pair of heels, a pair of sneakers, and some boots. So without further ado, let's get into this thing. Okay guys, so as you can see, none of these are 100% on to the pictures because I did thrift everything, and these are all thrifted looks. I honestly really like a lot of them. I said I was going to do it with 3 different shoes, but these boots ended up going with pretty much everything, and I just thought they were very 90s and very Rachel Green with the square toe and whatnot. So I left them on. Also, congratulations to our giveaway winner, Emmanuel. Please contact us so we can get that shipped out to you. Thank you for everyone who is entering, and really keep an eye out, guys, because we have another one coming so soon, as I'm sure you guys can tell from last time. Go on ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't so I can keep bringing you guys videos like this, and go ahead and turn on the notifications if you haven't, and give this a like, and comment below how well you thought I did compared to the pictures I included. Because personally, I think I did pretty well, especially since I was working with all thrifted clothes and I didn't go looking, or I did go looking, but I didn't buy from websites exactly what I was looking for. So go ahead and let me know. If there's any other lookbooks you guys want me to do next, go ahead and leave those below too. And with that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.